Hello everyone, this is Subram Reddy Kottapalli from Vishnu Institute of Technology studying ECE branch. Okay, now I am going to discuss you about coronavirus dashboard. Okay, when we compare these two graphs between US and Afghanistan, the cases are between 2 lakhs to 3 lakhs. And when we compare to Afghanistan, there is 100 to 50 cases per day. And when we compare to US to India, the cases are less than 1 lakh per day. Okay. Why it is happen like this and what is the difference of in these graphs? Now let I tell you. First, what is coronavirus? Coronavirus is a kind of virus that causes an infection in your nose, sinuses or upper throat. Okay. Most coronaviruses aren't dangerous. When we look at this, how contagious and deadly is it? Mostly bird flu is most dangerous and the COVID-19 is 1.5 to 3.5% infectious and its fatality rate is 0.7 to 3.4%. And the symptoms of coronavirus are fever, fatigue, muscle pain, loss or change of taste or smell, shortness of breath, dry cough, sore throat. And its emergency symptoms are difficulty breathing, chest pain or pressure. Its incubation periods like after 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 affecting the symptoms are pneumonia, rotavirus, seasonal flu, cholera. What are the measures we have to take when we are affected with coronavirus? We have to use scarf or mask or silk cloths. And what is the risk when coronavirus takes place? Risk can be reduced. We can be reduced our risk by wearing a mask, social distancing, washing hands. Low risk is at tennis courts, outdoor exercises, take food. So this graph shows low risk places, and this graph shows medium risk places where the coronavirus spreading is more. Use a public restrooms, public pools, work in a shared office, haircut places, at gyms. So these are the medium risk places and a high risk where the most crowd is take place, nightclubs, amusement parks, buffets, even in some sports stadiums. So here more crowd takes place. When there is more crowd, the coronavirus spread is more. And when we compare the cases between the US and India and US and other countries, France, the cases are less than 1 lakh in France and also less than 50,000 in. When we compare to US and France, the cases are more in US and less in France. When we compare deaths, in the US there is less than 4,000 and in between 2,000 to 4,000. When we look at the France, it is less than 2,000, but it is in the range between 1,000 to 2,000. In the when we compare two months, in November the US has more cases, but in France there is the cases should be becoming less. This is due to social distancing. All 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 France are getting lockdown, but in US there is no lockdown to the country. When we look at the top outbreak countries, USA has 2 crores 52 lakhs 97,059 cases total. When we compare to total deaths, 4 lakhs 21,129. And in India, 1 crore 6 lakhs 76,838 people are affected by the coronavirus and deaths are 1 lakh 53,587. Here, when we compare to percent of cases we have died, 1.7% people are died in USA and 1.4% people are died in India and 2.5% people are died in Brazil and mostly 8.5 people are die in 8.5% people are dying in Mexico, and 1% people are dying in Turkey. Here death rate is more in Mexico because the immunity is less in the Mexico people, and in Spain 3.5%. Top affected countries are USA, India, Brazil, Russia, UK. When we compare cases per 1 lakh, USA has 7 lakh 797,000 people, and in Belgium 182 deaths per 1 lakh, UK 149 deaths per 1 lakh. In Israel 7,730 cases per 1 lakh, and Portugal 6,226 people per 1 lakh. When we compare it to the top affected countries and cases per 1 lakh, USA always in the top, but India is not in both because the population is more in India. And when we compare these average daily cases 1 lakh people in the past week, mostly red dots show the people most affected. The red dots are mostly in USA, Mexico, Russia. When we look at the coronavirus infection trajectories, it is most rapidly affected in Portugal, and then Israel, and then Spain, and then Czech, and then Lesbian, and then UK. Here is the graphs that shows the coronavirus. Thank you and have a nice